Tiruvannamalai is embracing a cleaner, greener future with Megha Gas leading the way. Natural gas is fueling change in this historic region. Megha Gas delivers safe, reliable piped natural gas right into industries across Tiruvannamalai. With PNG, industrial operations are uninterrupted, affordable and eco-friendly, helping protect the environment while improving daily life. Our expanding network of CNG stations across Tiruvannamalai, including the landmark station at Ulundurpet, is fueling vehicles with a cleaner alternative to petrol and diesel. This reduces pollution, lowers fuel costs, and supports sustainable transportation. With 9 CNG stations and a state-of-the-art gas plant in the region, Megha Gas is committed to expanding infrastructure and accessibility. These investments are creating jobs, supporting local businesses, and powering Tiruvannamalai's growth sustainably. Join the green revolution in Tiruvannamalai. Choose Megha Gas, cleaner travel and healthier future. Follow Megha Gas for updates and opportunities to be a part of this transformation.